So remember in a recent video, we found this epic integral up here. And so some people felt that I should check my work. And so we'll start with our ln terms here. And so this derivative follows from the definition of ln, right? So we have our inside as our denominator, and then the derivative of the inside is our numerator. And then we get a common denominator like so, and simplify, and then simplify again. And now we'll move on to the arctans. So we take the derivative like so, where we have the derivative of the inside on top, and the denominator of 1 plus the inside squared. And then we expand our weird big terms and simplify like so. And now combining both our derivatives, we get this mess here. But have no fear. We multiply our right guy by x squared plus 1, and then we get a common denominator like this. And now we notice x minus 1 times x squared plus 1 is this mess, and the two big terms on the bottom are easy to simplify too. And so we just do some more algebra here, and then we see this top guy evaluates to 2, and so those guys cancel, and yeah, we're done.